Different story here locally. Let's get to Tracy with your first alert forecast. You've been saying this is the summer we've been waiting for, the summer that you even have been enjoying.
I have manifested this week. It was so hot for the month of July. I remember asking people, when did we move to Phoenix? It was just so hot. We had all these multiple days of triple-digit highs. If you were like me and you were thinking the same thing, and I know you were, here's the thing. This is what we have been asking for. This is a nice break from the heat. We're looking at seasonal afternoon highs. This is why we live in Northern California. Afternoon highs in the 90s, morning lows in the 60s. It is exceptional. Now, let's talk about our weather pattern, what that means for today's forecast. We'll take a look at the weekend and also take a sneak peek at next week. So here's the heat dome. So there's still a huge high pressure system that is impacting parts of the southwest as well as the south, bringing triple-digit highs. Not truly impacting us because why? Because of this, a low pressure system. It doesn't look like a huge player, right, when you look at the size of the two. But that low pressure system's coming in from the Gulf of Alaska. It is called an upper level trough. It is going to give us a nice counterclockwise flow. It's going to take all that nice cool air coming in off the ocean. It comes right through the delta and marries into the valley floor. It gives us morning lows near 60 degrees and it rewards us with afternoon highs that are seasonal, the lower to the mid 90s. Now over the weekend, those afternoon highs will actually be in the upper 80s. As we continue to move in toward the middle and the end of next week, you can see that this particular weather pattern is still in tow. High pressure system still out there in the plains, but that low pressure system continues to be our saving grace. So here's a look at the forecast for today. 70 in San Francisco, upper 80s coming in for Fairfield. I got the mid 90s coming in for the valley floor, 89 in Colfax, 84 in Pollock Pines, and temperatures near 80 for the Sierra. Now, here's the thing. If that low pressure system were not there, we would be looking at triple-digit highs. Yeah, and we've had enough of those. Yolo County Fair kicked off just a couple days ago. If you're heading out there, look at what you have. 94 coming in around 5 o'clock in the evening with a slight breeze. 10 o'clock tonight, mid 70s with clear skies. Take a look at your weekend forecast. I know. You're welcome. Upper 80s coming in Saturday and Sunday. Slightly breezy conditions on Saturday. For the foothills, you got plenty of sunshine with afternoon highs in the lower 80s, which is a little below average. On a more serious note, we do have the fire weather watch. That's going to be for the Sierra, and it's going to be for Saturday. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. We're talking about drier air, low relative humidity, so easy fire starts are going to be a big part of the forecast and, of course, our major concern. Sunday, you got afternoon highs in the upper 70s, and winds are not expected to be as strong. Upper 60s coming in for San Francisco. You'll have cloudy conditions on Saturday with a few breaks of sunshine coming in for Sunday. And then as you take a look at the Delta region, 82 on Saturday with the upper 80s on Sunday. Also, as we move into Monday, it's the super moon, blue moon. I know. We got a full moon. That's going to be a blue moon. And it also is going to be a super moon. That happens on Monday. You might want to take it in. Super moons tend to be 14% larger. That's the equivalent comparing a nickel to a quarter. So it should appear brighter and larger. Again, that's on Monday. That's a look at your first alert weather. Back to you, Ash.